For more than 10 years, purchasing an iPhone has consistently represented acquiring one of the top-tier smartphones in the market. Ever since the first iPhone introduced under the leadership of Steve Jobs, Apple has consistently unveiled remarkable smartphones, leading up to the iPhone 15 under Tim Cook's tenure. While the current iPhone 15 stands as a pinnacle of smartphone excellence, a recent report suggests that its successor and the iPhone 16 may not maintain this high standard. According to the report, the iPhone 16 could potentially fall short as an upgrade and might be advisable to be bypassed altogether. According to reports from MacRumors and 9to5Mac, the significant design changes are not included for the upcoming iPhone models. Instead, there may be enhancements in camera capabilities, Wi-Fi specifications, and a potential expansion in display size options for the Pro models. This aligns with a consistent trend observed within Apple's product releases. In the past, iPhones were renowned for introducing groundbreaking changes to the smartphone industry and often served as the star of Apple's announcement events. However, recent events have showcased fewer notable advancements. Even the iPhone 15 Pro only introduced minor upgrades, such as an enhanced camera and a new programmable button, highlighting a shift towards more incremental improvements. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, a reputable tipster also highlighted that the iPhone 16 might not receive a significant in-house upgrade in 2024. This revelation adds to the disappointment for Apple fans who were already looking for the release of both the iPhone 16 and the iPhone SE 4. Recent rumors surrounding the cancellation of the iPhone SE 4 may have already dismayed many Apple enthusiasts, but this could potentially be even more disappointing. Initially speculated the iPhone 16 to be released in 2024, and the iPhone SE 4's fate seems uncertain, and Ming-Chi Kuo suggesting that it may not see the light of day. Surprisingly, if this turns out to be true, it could also mean that the iPhone 16 will miss out on a significant upgrade that many had been expecting. Watch the entire video, and you will know more about iPhone SE 4 cancellation and how that impacts iPhone 16. Kuo posted in his blog on 6th of January 2024 that the iPhone SE might be canceled. He said, "The supply chain has received instructions from Apple, indicating that the production and shipment plans for the 2024 iPhone SE 4 have been canceled rather than delayed." If these speculations turn out to be true, it's certainly sad news for Apple lovers. Specifically, it suggests that Apple might miss out on the opportunity to utilize its new in-house 5G modem chipset in the 2024 lineup, and they may have to continue relying on Qualcomm for the baseband chips. Apple has placed significant focus on developing and introducing its own baseband chips. Recently, a factory of Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, being built in Phoenix, Arizona, marked a watershed moment for the iPhone maker, and it was believed that the company will launch their own 5G modem chips to become more self-reliant. However, it seems that Apple's ambitions in this regard might be premature. Some of other reports indicate that Apple's next launch schedule for 2024 may fall short of expectations. The earlier plan was to introduce the new chipset in low-impact iPhone SE devices in 2024. And based on how it performs, and it could be considered for include to the iPhone 16 models in the same year as well. However, the cancellation of the iPhone SE 4 has significantly increased the chances of Qualcomm remaining the exclusive supplier of baseband chipset for the two H24 new iPhone 16 series, which is better than the market consensus that Qualcomm will start losing iPhone orders in 2024, he explained further. With Apple unable to assess the performance of its chipset as planned, directly integrating it into iPhone 16 would pose a significant risk. According to QO, this is why Apple is expected to continue relying on Qualcomm at least throughout the production cycle of the iPhone 16 in 2024. Also, several reports suggest that the iPhone 16 might be Apple's initial failure. According to Barclays analysts' projections for Apple in 2024, the latest research note from the group paints a grim outlook for the company in the upcoming year. Perhaps the harshest words are reserved for the iPhone 16. Barclays says, "We don't see any features or updates that could make the iPhone 16 more appealing," suggesting that the forthcoming iPhone might face outright failure, at least according to analysts' view. The report also expresses doubt regarding Mac sales volume and the performance of Apple's services in the upcoming year. Notably, there is no mention of the Vision Pro glasses possibly indicating low sales expectations for the device. Overall, these insights fail to present a favorable outlook for Apple's future. The claim that the iPhone 16 will lack attractive features is exciting, as it diverges from the rumors circulating elsewhere. Is the Barclays report wrong, or do their analysts know something that no one else knows? In other places, reports have surfaced suggesting that the iPhone 16 lineup will incorporate haptic buttons, introduce a new capture control, enhance its camera system, offer new size, and undergo a substantial chip upgrade. Additionally, a leak hints at Apple leveraging graphene technology to maintain device temperature. While some of these rumors may seem speculative, they indicate a plethora of potential features that could be incorporated into Apple's upcoming phone range. However, it's important to recognize that it's still early in the process, and there's been no official confirmation of this information from Apple. Everything we're discussing is based on rumors, speculation, and insights from inside sources. Apple has the flexibility to alter its plans, whether by shelving a product entirely or delaying its release for years, as demonstrated with AirTags. Otherwise, the rumors themselves could prove to be inaccurate. Only time will ultimately reveal the outcome of these speculations. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.